What's up, everyone? Summer is over, and now it's time to get serious about fitting back into my fall jeans. So we are currently on a major health kick, and we're about to tell you all about it. Thanks to Weight Watchers for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. If you've been watching my videos from the start, you may have noticed that I have a handsome husband here who is now like the incredible shrinking husband. You've lost so much weight, you look incredible, you got super healthy. Babe, you look so... Hello, where'd you go? Please, give us the details on how you did it.
It was classic, babe. It was just the classic, go to the gym and eat, healthy, making better healthy food choices. And I just really set a goal for the summer. This was back in April. I was the heaviest weight I had ever been in my life. As a result of just being in love.
I feel like you don't notice it though, like when you're with the person every day, you don't notice it. And then we were like watching videos back, all things Adrienne.
Yeah, and that's when I was like, okay, this can't continue. So I knew going into the summer, we were gonna have a crazy summer, and I just wanted to look my best, but feel my best as well.
Your exact words were, I'm not trying to be on a yacht looking crazy.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be on a yacht looking crazy. Those are the verbatim quote.
So after our incredible summer vacation, I got home super inspired by Israel's journey, and even though he did it on his own, I knew that I needed a push. So I decided to check out Weight Watchers. So here's the deal. They have this really cool program called Freestyle, and it makes it super simple because they have literally over 200 0-point foods. So I can eat everyday food. How awesome is that?
That's great.
Also, anyone can join. It's like one big family, and I love the community vibe. Everyone knows that it's way easier to stay on track with a buddy. So, babe, you actually checked it out too, right?
I checked it out. I'll be your buddy, no problem. I think because we literally spend every day together. Yeah. Every day, if I'm not on the road, we are together.
We do though. We love doing everything together. I just think it's so much easier when you have someone motivating you and you have somebody that you actually have to, what's that word?
Hold accountable?
Yes, you hold me accountable. Yes. That's the word. So here's the exciting part. We're about to show everyone some of the healthy stuff we eat every day, a part of our new healthy lifestyle.
Let's go.
Look at all this food. It looks incredible.
Amazing.
I'm always hungry, so I'm ready to get right in.
Let's go.
But what I love about this is look how many options you have. I love that the Freestyle program allows you to eat everyday foods, and that makes it so simple. You don't have to stress yourself out wondering, what can I eat? Can I have this? I love that, right?
Absolutely.
This is a perfect example of something I love to have for breakfast. It's a breakfast sundae, which is awesome because it's like a yogurt parfait. So we're getting off to a good start with that.
This is definitely your vibe.
That is totally my vibe. This is like my breakfast moments right here. Israel, you actually prefer more like eggs and bacon, which again is also an option on the Freestyle program. So that's cool. You have so many options.
So many options.
A wide variety. Love that. I'm just saying, I said I was hungry. It really tastes good. No, seriously, you want some? Mm-hmm. So good. See, you can join me on this one.
Oi.
Mm-hmm. Israel's still eating my breakfast over here.
It's great.
It's so good. But we're gonna move on to lunch. And what I love about this Greek salad is that you wanna add protein to it. This is a perfect example of a great healthy salad, a great healthy lunch. We've got cucumbers, which are your faves.
I'm a cucumber junkie.
He can sit and eat cucumbers all day, which funny enough, I actually can mix these cucumbers with the hummus that's also over here, and that's a great snack. Just gonna lean over and do that real quick. And you can drizzle this dressing on top, just like that. This is olive oil, lemon and dill.
Yes.
So delish. I'm actually gonna show you how easy it is to find out what points are for what. See, I'm gonna prove to you that this grilled skinless chicken breast is only 0 points. You literally just grab the phone, go to the app, and then you can type in where it says search this list. You can type in anything, like I'm gonna type in chicken breast, and boom, look at that. Chicken breast cooked without bone, without skin. 0 points, thank you very much, 0. You know what else?
I knew you were telling the truth the whole time.
Look, jerk chicken breast.
With some flavor.
Ooh, I didn't even know that. I just put chicken breast in and I got 4 options. I can get chicken breast ground, raw, 98% fat-free. Greek style chicken and vegetables is only 2 points. My big fat Greek salad! Except for it's not fattening. It's 0 points.
Greek salad.
Once we get into the afternoon, we both start craving snacks. I'm a big snacker, so are you.
I am.
We love to snack, and please tell them what is in front of us.
This is probably my greatest weakness in the world.
No, you don't understand. This man could eat chips and
Salsa.
salsa
Every day.
every single day,
All day. No problem.
That's right. And guess what I could eat all
Popcorn
day.
every day, every night, all night.
And in the bed sometimes.
Which we're working on that part of our...
I love popcorn. You guys don't understand. I love popcorn so much that when Israel and I were dating, he made me a special gift. Hold please. I got this really cool, this is my specific popcorn bowl. You see this? He made this for me. See, he drew the little pop. Oh, this one's really good. This is a good popcorn side. And on the inside it says A's Addiction. Oh, you're good. That was so close. Oh, oi. Oh, good job. Love it.
And babe, look.
What?
We also have veggies and hummus. Some of my favorite veggies, sugar snap peas.
So I love that, again, you don't feel like you're confined to just a strict diet. Like, this doesn't feel like that at all. This feels like you have so many options. My favorite is included, popcorn all day, every day.
Let's go.
Now moving on to dinner time. I love this combo, a grain, a vegetable, and protein. So over here we've got some fish. Salmon is my personal fave. It's actually really good for your hair, your nails, and your skin, girls. Get on that salmon program. But I love, babe, you've gotten to like salmon now as well.
A little bit. I prefer your Chilean sea bass. It's my favorite.
My Chilean sea bass is incredible. Guess what? Fish is always an option.
Fish is
All
good.
kinds of fish is an option as well. Partner it up with some broccolini, and we've also got some brown rice
It's
right
like
here.
my favorite combination
No,
right there.
you can just sit and eat broccolini all day.
No problem.
He loves broccolini. The whole point of this really is a lifestyle change, changing
Yes.
our lives, really getting healthy. It's not just about weight loss, it's about being active as well. We joined a gym, people.
We joined a gym. We're
Yes.
active at it. This is really just a part of our everyday life
Yeah.
now. And we're loving it. We're obviously seeing great changes, but we are just loving feeling better, looking better, living
Especially
better.
as a couple, it's so awesome to do it together, especially when we're on a date night or when we're out with a group of friends.
Yep.
We are focused.
We are accountable to each other.
Yes.
So we can kind of look across the table like, hey, now, remember what we
Yeah,
discussed?
what are you ordering?
And that's the thing. It's really easy. It's really fun to do together. And I promise you, we're going to keep you posted on our progress.
Yes. Well, all this food is still looking so good, so I'm gonna continue to eat. But make sure that you comment below and tell me some cool recipes to try or some snacks. And if you wanna learn more, click on the link below to find out how to join Weight Watchers Freestyle program. Thanks again to Weight Watchers for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video.
Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
That's right, subscribe. We love, love, love you.
We love, love, love you. For real. Besos.